Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have the graphene ceramic coating here. I'll show you guys what you get. You get a sponge here. We have a thank you card. We have some gloves. We have a microfiber cloth. It looks like a couple of those. And then we have our graphene coating. So the instructions are dry with a hair dryer, natural drying, spray directly onto the painted surface. And then the coating thickness, usually 1 centimeter, and is able to be decided according to designer drying time, 36 hours at room temperature. So the way it works, basically, you'll put some of this on here. Got a little squirting thing here. So you open it up, and we'll put it on. A little bit of the graphene coating, rub it in, and in 36 hours we'll be able to kind of wipe it off and stuff, and we'll have our graphene coating on our car. So pretty cool, nice little setup here, and this is what it looks like there. So that's it, and I'm not gonna really have 36 hours for the video, but you get the idea. And now I have a super clean little area right there on my car. So really nice, I like it, thumbs up.